Hello people. So in this video I'm going to give you a short walkthrough of Odoo's rental app. As Odoo has made a lot of changes into the rental app, I'll just give you a walkthrough what are the changes that has been done. And also in this particular video I'm going to cover a test case of a camera rental business. So if you are someone who is running a camera business and that too on rental, how you can manage all those stuff in Odoo. So for that, here you can see I already installed the rental app. Let me just open that. So this is how the dashboard of rental app looks like. There are no any changes made, but what are the changes that Odoo has made is for that let me just open the products. So here you can see these are all the products. Now if I want to create a new product for a rental, I just click on new. Now you can see there is no any option of rental which was available in the previous version. So how do I define a rental product? So in that case, Odoo has given a new option. For example, okay, let me just add tripod tracking by quantity. Let me just save this. Here under the sales tab, you can see there is an option called periodicity. So this is something that you should be noting. This tripod, what's the periodicity that I want to give this on rent? So that is maybe days. So once I add days, let me just save it. Now this has become my rental product. If I again go to rental app, click on new, add a product. Now you can see rental is automatically added here. So that was the configuration which Odoo has changed. They have replaced that particular boolean and added that periodicity field there. Let me just add it, and by default it is taking 1 day. Here you can see, and accordingly the price will be changing. I have already created a few products, so let me just quickly remove this, or maybe I just can discard this. So I have created two products, that is Canon DSLR and GoPro Hero Black. Now let us just create a order, rental order for that. Canon DSLR and GoPro Hero. So you can see the difference here. This particular DSLR I am giving on rental on daily basis, on day basis, so that's why system has picked up day. And this particular product I'm giving on rent on hourly basis, that's why system has picked up 24 hours. Basically it's one and the same, 1 day and 24 hours, it's one and the same. But what's the difference is, if I am giving this product on hourly basis, so my rental per hour will be much more than per day. Now you might be saying, "Hey Ashi, so in this way, do you want to say that if this particular product I'm giving on rental, I won't be able to manage two unit of measures for same product? Means GoPro Hero Black I am giving on rent on hourly basis as well, and sometimes on a day basis as well. So how do we manage that? Because if someone is going to procure or rent this product on daily basis, obviously he's not going to pay us on the hourly basis, right? But it will be too expensive. So how can we manage that? Okay, good point. So to manage that, we can use this feature. As of now, you can see the difference, day and hours. Okay, let us open this. What we can do is, we have an option or feature called prices. So right now, considering my per hour cost is 10 USD. So 10 USD per hour, that is what I'm costing for the rental of this one. Now I'll add a price list. Let me quickly open the price list. So in this, let me just remove this. So minimum quantity I'm adding is 24 minimum quantity, and my one unit of measure is hours. So 24 hours is equals to 1 day, right? Technically if I do the calculation, it will be 24 multiplied by 10, that is 240. But if anyone is procuring on the daily basis or for the 24 hours, I want to give them some discount. So instead of 240, I will charge them, let's say $180. So $180 means $7.5 per hour. So I have added 7.5 per unit. Let me just quickly save this. And now let's see what happens. So my price list is Benelux. Okay, let's come again here. So here you can see right now my price list is Urban Piper. Okay, let us just change the price list, save it, and system is asking me to update the prices. Let us update. Okay, so here you can see instead of 24 hours, system is now picking up 180. Now let us do some more changes. For instead of 24 hours, I want, let us just remove this one for ease of access. So instead of 24 hours, I want to give this on rent for 8 hours maybe. Now let's see what system is picking up what price. So pickup date is 4/11/30 and dropping date is also 4. Let us drop it around maybe 6:30. Apply. Perfect. 7 hours. Now, for 7 hours, let us see system is calculating what price. Here you can see system has calculated as per our 10 hour or $10 per hour price. That is 7 multiplied by 10, that is 70. So if you are giving any of the product on rental on hourly basis, system will calculate the price on hourly basis, but the same product can be given on rent on day basis as well, that too on a different price. If you want to give more discount, that is up to you, but yes, we can manage multiple unit of measures under the same product. It can be per day, per hour, maybe if you want to add per week, that option is also available. We can do that. I hope this video, okay, before ending this, let me just show you, just give you a full walkthrough. Let us confirm this one. So once I confirm this, here you can see two deliveries are generated. One is in and one is of out. So my out is ready means pickup. Once it has been picked up, this will be, okay, let us just validate this. Once this is done, my pickup is already completed. Now once the customer returns me the good, comes to my shop and to return the good, by the way, this is also show that it is being picked up. Okay, let me just open this. If I open this one, so my return is ready. So whenever the customer comes in, I'll just click on the same sales order, open the transfers, and will validate this. Okay, let's validate that, and my transaction is completed. Now I can create the invoice. In case if you want to, if you are taking the advance amount, that is also fine. Now here is the main thing, that is called schedules. Here you will be able to see all the schedules of return and pickup of your particular products. So these are all your rental products. You can see right now my Canon DSLR, out of 5, 1 is in the rental. Means someone has taken that on rental. So order number is this one, pickup time, return time, status, everything will be available here. If you want to edit that, that option is also available. So from here you can see the whole life cycle of your rental products, that too depending upon the day, depending upon the week, depending upon the month. Also we have an option for to do. So to do today pickup, how many pickups are there today, this is the one which needs to be picked up today. And for the return, same in the same way we have the returns option as well, but today I don't have any return, so no any data is being available here. But I hope you get a gist of how rental works in Odoo. In case if you have any doubt or query regarding the rental, please do let me know. I'll cover that in next video. Thank you.